ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Good evening. Hello, listeners. This is your RJ Abhi, and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by the Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushilya. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions or queries and support to elderly. So today we have here Mr. K.L. Rao, who is going to talk about Karuna International 4, Inculcating Human Values Among Students. So it's over to Mr. K.L. Rao.
Today, I would like to talk about Karuna International, headquartered at Chennai. This is an organization which started more than 25 years ago with its presence in a good network of schools in our country. Karuna International is a registered non-profit service organization which promotes compassion, kindness, love, and respect for all the living beings and the environment. It promotes animal welfare, vegetarianism, and humane values among the student community. It promotes Karuna clubs in schools and colleges and supplies literature and guidebooks to the educational institutions free of cost. It organizes training programs on humane education for teachers, for students and activists. The schools and colleges which start Karuna clubs are requested to conduct a minimum of 6 programs and 8 activities in an academic year. It supplies exhibition materials, CDs and posters to schools regularly. It promotes non-leather shoes and products among school children. It organizes an annual conference of Karuna clubs in which awards and prizes are given to the outstanding Karuna clubs based on their yearly performance. It also grants Dayavan awards to students for their compassionate activities. The organization publishes an annual souvenir in which the report of the Karuna Club activities of schools, photos and articles of students are published. It also publishes a monthly newsletter which is sent free of cost to all schools and members. It is recognized by the Animal Welfare Board of India and it receives an annual grant from them. It is patronized by Ahimsa Research Foundation, Chennai. It has now grown as an all-India organization by starting Karuna Kendras in more than 2,500 schools in more than 22 states in India. The organizations working actively for the cause of compassion, non-violence, and prevention of cruelty to animals are as follows. Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, International Vegetarian Union, North American Vegetarian Society, and Meat Out. These are a few organizations which I wanted to cite at this juncture. There are books with stories for children to tell the importance of human values. They are divided into part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. These are mainly in English, Tamil, Telugu, etc. Hindi. So, a volunteer placed anywhere in India, if he or she is interested, they can contact me, KL Rao, @mail.com. So I can ensure that that person's expertise is used for this Karuna cause. There are several activities suggested for the students in the school and college. Visit to a zoo, feeding birds and animals, storytelling with puppets, mimicry of animal sounds, making models of animal homes, making collages of animals, making animal masks, storytelling, drawing animals, forest scenes, preparing a scrapbook, my book of animals, storytelling, dramatizing stories on animals, role play, paper folding to make animal figures, etc. This is a very big one. Nowadays, we observe that the human values are buried. That means we rarely find human values in our society. That is why it is imperative for us to inculcate human values in the school children and college students right now. This has been identified as a very much needed activity. Even more than 25 years ago, this Karuna International was founded at Chennai by Sri Dhulichand Jain. So Sri Dhulichand Jain was the founder of this great organization, Karuna International. So those people who are interested in the activity of cultivating human values among school children and college students are invited to join this mission. By contacting me, KL Rao, I will be able to guide them how to be volunteers for this great institution with great mission, Karuna International. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your talk. We really liked it. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too have listened to the program. Stay tuned to Riyavra Vani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any questions or queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.